Yo, 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 yo. What is going on, guys? We're gonna start the challenge now. I'm gonna be doing trades solely based off of the indicator. Trades solely based off of the indicator. Bum, 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 bum. Oh shit. I guess no more SMT there. Yo, what a crazy fucking pump that we got, guys. Holy shit. Absolute fucking monster move. Dude, no, I didn't watch the game, bro. I'm ready to put on the Mexico game, though. I'm ready to put that on. I'm ready for that. I didn't take anything for that game, though. Asia session has not been volatile, bro. Actually, no. Monday was. Yesterday was not. Get down. I would not know that, my boy. I would not know that. I have a full video actually on my YouTube channel in regards to market structure. If you want to peep that. That shit'll help you. Trust. Everybody get down. Down, down, down. Yo, Brandon, call me on Discord if you want, Brody. Let me add this too. Get down. Everybody get down. September 19th? Sounds good to me, bro. Oh shit, Brandon, I got you, bro. Yeah?
Yo.
Yo. How we doing, yo?
Shit, I was just scalping some shit on some prop accounts earlier. Some little trades on 30 seconds. 5 minute swing, 30 second systems, and
Bro, I don't know how you're not bold.
up like what is that? I was just playing with some unfunded accounts.
Oh my god. Bro, I was so tempted to fucking swing some like call options on MU as like a coin flip. Because the reason we fucking
crazy
pumped, bro. MU right now, like after hours, or where can I even pull it up?
I'm up for it right now. It was nut shit.
Look at
I had
this
earnings
shit.
today, right?
Shit, look at that. Look at that fucking pump, bro.
Look at this before to prepare.
That shit is up almost
Yeah, bro.
20%
Insane.
after hours.
Yeah, 17. Yeah, like 17. Actually ridiculous, bro.
Cookie,
You
nah, I
didn't
didn't
swing
see it,
nothing?
bro. No, I didn't. No, I'm looking to see if tomorrow at the Open, if like structure is aligned properly. If structure is aligned properly at the Open tomorrow, I'm gonna get some call options and like ride that shit to the relative equal highs above.
Those are very clean.
If 9:30
I've been
Open
so
tomorrow
heavy
looks
with-
good, it'd be fire.
I've been so heavy with options again lately. It feels so good to like.
Dude, it's amazing.
Like
It's
it feels
fucking
so good, man.
gas. I love trading options. I've been doing that shit, dude. That's how I got into trading.
Yeah, them shits is real good, bro.
I love it so much.
What you looking at tonight for? We had just. I mean, did you trade? Did you trade today or no?
No, I didn't do anything today. Actually, I was on my Blue Guardian stream, and there was a short on the 15-minute. Oh, it was actually a short. It was a short here.
Watching. I mean, right now, like when it comes to like weekly profiles, kind of looking at that Wednesday, right? That Wednesday reversal or Thursday, Friday continuation on YM up to those highs. But then like kind of looking at Nasdaq right now. Again, a little conflicting. You see on Nasdaq, we're kind of opening high today. Right now, actually, during the Asia, may set up from this bearish daily gap as well. The potential daily internal to external continuation down to the Wednesday low, potentially, depending on how we react out of this gap.
Yeah, facts.
As far as like,
I think 10 o'clock will be a tell.
yeah. As far as because going off the hourly just kind of looks like we're consolidating, so I just need a little bit more development here.
Oh shit! Christian just gave me a signal to put Huncho on Mexico. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. Yeah, I mean, I'm sorry, Echo. I can't do anything about it. I'm gonna be completely.
Oh, here we go, bro.
I'm sorry. I literally can't do anything about it.
Bro, I got so many trips coming up. Yeah, you fuck with John Summit or no?
Yeah, he's alright.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie.
I just threw the bomb on Mexico. But this is the short that I tried taking in at 11 o'clock. I jammed my stop way too early. I took a short on the 15-minute from this bearish order block here. There was a 6-hour SMT fill inside of this gap right here, and then my target was the relative equal lows. I jammed my stop way too early. Like I literally put my stop at the. I think I moved it like literally here, and then I got wicked out, and then price ended up cleaning down to the lows. But that was clean. That was a clean move. I'm not gonna lie.
Chat. What's the vibe? How'd everybody do today? You guys green? You guys red? How you guys doing on the week? You know what I'm saying? Talk to me. How you guys feeling today?
Yeah, how's everybody doing today? How's the week going?
5 minutes swing hot. Do I have the live chat on? Let me see. Sometimes I'll be having the live chat on. Got your payout request today? Big fucking W, man. Love to hear that. You're red? It's all good, man. Make sure you just journal, refine anything. You know what I'm saying? Gold view. Oh, let me see what gold. I haven't really looked at that gold at all, to be honest. Let me see.
Gold actually had a dumb clean entry for shorts last night that we didn't see. Actually, gold's kind of giving a good short right now. And
Let me see.
gold's giving a good short right now.
Mm-hmm.
Oh wait, no, that's not a silver S. I mean, it's technically a Zhao. Yeah, it's XAU. Is that a relative equal high?
Like silver delivering out of this gap. That's a continuation lower.
Damn, that actually looks.
Let me see the hourly.
Is that a relative equal high?
What are you looking at?
XAU Euro. That is. I was gonna say this is actually even my indicator's plotting this from this 5 minute. I got a stack of Apex accounts so that I can take trades solely based off
specifically
of the indicator.
for the indicator.
Yeah, for the.
That'd be insane. Hell yeah.
Yeah, so that's what I want to do.
That's a low key like dope video right there. Like
I know.
That's gonna be insane.
Yeah, I'm gonna do a series, bro.
Yeah, that's gonna be insane.
Eval to funded to payout. Only indicator signals.
That's pretty insane.
Is
your goal to like over time make it to where you're pretty much like you can set up your indicators to do the work like alert for you like you get a message almost.
Exactly that.
That's gonna be insane.
And then automation, complete automate, like literally just not have to do anything. No button clicking, just chill. Bro, I hate when they. God. Hold on, let me look. I want to look this up right now.
Yeah, but I mean, you know what it is, bro. It's just they're probably hearing it because the speaker, and I mean, it's not really shit that can really be done unless I think it's like I don't know, bro.
Let me see.
Just put a withdraw on a 90K account. Work, bro.
Is it better here? Talk now.
Yo.
Here, let me. I want to listen to it. I need to listen to this to see how bad it is. If it's even bad.
When your head's down on the job, who's got your customers?
Got ads on his stream is crazy.
Bro.
Nah, I'm not streaming. We vibing in here, bro.
Come on. Of course, it starts loading when I try listening to it. Oh, that was a 15-minute. I didn't realize. What the fuck?
It looks real good, to be honest.
I do hear it a little bit. Why do I hear myself echoing?
You know what I'm low-key looking for right now? Real quick while you're doing that, right now on GC, we got that 4-hour high being confirmed with the 15-minute change in the state, right? You see how we had those consecutive candles of the 15-minute candles is placed lower. If we can see a gap form, well, we're already have a gap form on the 15-minute and potentially look for
SMT fill within the gap.
Yes, and then I'm gonna look for a lower time frame 1 minute SysD to trade in lower time frame internal line, higher time frame.
Yeah, it could be a nice draw down to the 3.9, just a simple 3.975.
Yeah, definitely
if we can get a 15-minute gap, yeah, for sure.
I gotta play music in my ears one sec.
In there.
You know what I'm gonna look for? Some cookie dough ice cream. Alright, bro. Does NQ look like an AMD before the?
Indicator. I got an alert set on silver. At that
Yeah, it's at that gap.
Yeah. I think silver's gonna be the only one that is actually able to give the tag.
Yeah, it's very close to those highs. Let me know if silver offers a retracement. Take the GC continuation. The GC just flushes here, that'll suck.
I wish I saw this earlier. I would have shorted right at that 15-minute close at 8:15. Oh, yeah, bro. I know people that trade fucking 50 accounts, bro. You gotta think about it. Dude, solely Apex in itself is 20. And then every other firm is like 5.
Yeah,
you got
don't really add up accounts quick.
Bro, you got Apex, you got Funded Next, Tradeify, Top Step, Futures Elite that just got announced, Lucid, Take
like
Profit Trader, Alpha Futures. That's 8. Just right there.
Firm that lets you do 15 accounts too. I remember I was reading that. I was thinking about adding them to the list to try them. But bro, like, you know,
Really?
Imagine just between 2 firms, that's like 40 fucking accounts. That's insane, bro.
I didn't even know there was another firm. I didn't know there was
That's
any
what
other
it's called
firms that do that.
I'm gonna test it out first. I always like testing them being like a guinea pig because, you know, obviously financials I can.
Oh, my Funded Futures too.
But it's called day traders. I don't know if you ever heard. It's literally just called day traders.
It's called Day Traders? Are you serious?
I'm gonna link it to you. But I'm gonna try them out and see how it goes. See if I get scammed or not.
I'm gonna look it up.
Yeah, the logo is like a fucking it's like a fucking white logo with like a.
It's just called Day Traders?
It's literally just called day traders.
Day Traders Prop Firm Review.
Yeah, right here.
This looks like it was made, bro. This looks like it was made with Claude. I'm being dead ass.
The only reason why I'm testing them out is because I've seen certain people supposedly show, so I'm like, you know, fuck it, let me see if I can see if they'll let me pull a full max payout on 15 accounts. But you know, they kind of have like that old school shit, like the intraday trailing.
Oh yeah. I mean, bro, we survived intraday trails with the legacy accounts with Apex, so it's like really it doesn't fucking intraday trails are fucking. If you complain about that, it's cope.
I think people don't realize when it, like, it's temporary too, you know, until you hit that buffer.
Yeah.
And you're just chilling, bro.
Or even if you're not even at the buffer, bro, just be a little bit more aggressive with your trailing stop losses. Don't like in these market conditions, bro. Like it's fucking. We're trading massive point swings, so keep that in mind when you're not at the buffer.
I think people forget about base that's adding up, man. Those 1.5. That's why, bro, I like telling people, bro, listen, it's cool to get caught up in the high RR, man. But if you're not hitting that high RR consistently, especially as a newer trader, it's like, bro, what's the point? Like, aim for consistency, man. You know, that's where that 1.5 R to 2 R is like that sweet spot.
Ooh,
especially in today, like, especially the way we trade, right? That 1.5 to 2 R is like easy in a good A+ setup.
Bro, am I gonna be happy that I didn't get call options before the close?
Oh, you wanted to swing calls into
I wanted to swing call options.
QQQ?
Yeah. Well, yeah, NDX.
Mm.
Kind of happy that I didn't. I wanted to see a 4-hour gap get put in at 10 o'clock, but I don't even know if we're gonna get a 4-hour gap.
Are we tapped into that? We tapped into that previous day high.
Yeah, we got a daily. Yo, is your daily candle fucked up like mine?
Let me see. 1 sec. Do you have a settlement enabled on the lower right?
Oh, never mind. I'm good.
Alright.
It is an SMT actually, like at that daily gap.
Yeah, that's what I was saying earlier. That daily internal, potential external. I just didn't like the way the hourly looked, but if we can form Like we got right now 15-minute gaps forming. Like if I can get something nice out of these 15-minute or even a 30-minute gap, I'm definitely not opposed to taking some. I didn't like the signature, how we kind of opened up more so like the hourly looks like kind of like a consolidation, like almost like an accumulation.
I will probably say that tomorrow we have a high impact news driver at 8:30. I probably will. I mean, I'll look for like a scalp trade, like nothing like crazy, but in order for me to like get a true direction as to where the daily candle is gonna go, I'll probably wait for news tomorrow on NQ to then get that idea. I'm gonna watch. We might get an opportunity on gold here. Silver might come into this 15-minute gap.
Yeah, that'd be nice right now. I see Silver kind of rejected, potentially putting in a nice
Wouldn't
flip here.
be opposed. Where are these contracts on gold? All right, here it is. How?
I'm not even opposed to even seeing potential, maybe like even a lower time frame string switch between GC and Silver, right? Maybe GC becomes a relatively stronger string switch with Silver to kind of catch up towards those lows as well. Because I see GC's flipping back a little bit more stronger here at this time. We'll see. Chat, like the stream, man.
Yeah, please like the stream. We got low ass likes last time.
Y'all getting too comfortable, man. All y'all gotta do is press that like button, bro. There's 200 people in here. We should have 200 likes in the next 20 minutes, bro. Not even 5 minutes. What's your bias right now? I do like. Right now using this daily bearish gap on the Nasdaq here to kind of give me context as far as what are we going to do, right? Because it's very crucial for us to see what signature of price is being offered from this bearish daily gap, right? Because a lot of people just think you tap into the gap, you look for the reversal. No, you want to see what signature is being offered, right? Are we failing to manipulate that gap to potentially go higher, or are we reversing from that gap, right, to go lower, supporting the internal to external sequence? Now, given the overall weekly candle profile, right, I'm not opposed to potentially looking for price to go ahead and manipulate lower to go higher.
Yeah.
Especially giving off the pre.
I'm gonna take that short if we get the. Well, I want to use the indicator, and short that OB.
From the GC.
Yeah, the 15.
Okay.
How many? 15. How many do I have to buy? I fucking hate the trade of 8 copier, bro. I want to take the indicator.
I'm on GC.
How many did I get?
I'm gonna look for price to reject here a little bit.
I got the order block tag. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know how much I just risked on that.
Oh, you in? Oh,
I took the 15-minute OB.
Okay.
Because I'm trying to rip through. I want to use that. I want to use the indicator and see how it goes.
I bet. I know you're hype, bro.
I want to use the indicator.
What I'm kind of looking for here.
How many contracts did I just get? I think I got too many.
Yeah, I'm looking for, I want to see price. So right now price is reaching, so if you guys look on the 15-minute on Matt's screen, right? Just imagine that Gon box being drove, you know, kind of from that swing high to that swing low.
I think I got too many.
Right now we see price tapping into a nice premium right here. This would be kind of where I would look for price to kind of stay in respect to support a continuation lower. Right now, I know Matt's in this position on the 15-minute OB tag. I'm right now looking for price to potentially put in a new 15-minute swing high from this gap. So maybe a new 15-minute candle to open high and then trade the initial C2 reversal lower. Just want that little bit of extra layer confirmation here on my end, because I am looking for that 1-minute reversal to the downside to capitalize on a little bit of a tighter risk here. So that's kind of what I'm looking at here. We're in a very crucial spot. We definitely want to see this gap start staying in respect and the EQ staying in respect. We could wick into it. We just don't want to see price start failing to manipulate through it, right? We don't want to see opposing runs and continuation signatures through the EQ here. This is where you want to see price kind of reject here. When price is at a relevant level, do you use phase of price? Yes, I do look at those signatures here because I want to see if price is failing to manipulate, which means continuing through that key level, where we can trade the added context right through that key level, or you want to see if price is going to reverse. That's why when it comes to like a narrative, you want to have a higher time for narrative, but you want to have like a counter narrative, like an invalidation. If price invalidates your overall main narrative, what can you trade counter to that? So yeah, enough of my yap though. BM is assist D too far in 1 minute. So what I kind of look for here is any new opposing runs and a new 15-minute opens high, trade the reversal, or I can even use IFEG's initial IFEG reversals as well. So we'll see. 1 MGC is like 200 risk.
Yeah, it's $200. I think it's $200 risk. $200.
Money line. Yo, what do you use to bet? You use a
FanDuel.
Well, you know, bro, Florida has everything fucking blocked, dude.
Like, fuck that. I had to use.
Like,
you have to use Hard Rock, bro. Use Hard Rock. The fact that I know that is pretty bad.
Me, bro.
Hard Rock banned you? That sucks.
Yeah, bro, I was wagering crazy.
I used Hard Rock, and I think you could use Prize Picks, but Prize Picks is only for like props.
I want DraftKings or fucking Barstool. Like, can I get a real fucking sports book, please? Like, Florida, what are we doing here?
Bro,
like,
come to Jersey.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm definitely setting up all my.
Oh wait,
accounts
Trump is speaking right now.
Oh, is he?
Is he actually? Ooh, that's. Is he actually speaking?
Two more minutes left for this 15-minute candle. Potentially going to form a C2 from this internal gap. We would look for the C3 continuation away.
Oh, and we have the Mexico game on in 2 minutes. Wait, what do I need to pass these accounts? I'm in at 40 15.2. It's not good enough.
I'm liking this rejection signature right now on the gold here, personally, guys. If gold starts flushing here, I may get involved with this IFEG personally on the 3 minute. I'm watching kind of this 3 minute IFEG. I may get involved here. Price rebalance the overall impulse structure. We're starting to reject from that high and that gap. May look to get involved here on a short.
Bum, ba, bum, 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 bum.
I like shorting down for those lows.
Oh, look at silver, bro. Silver fucking
I
flipped.
might have to get involved with the silver. Silver looks a lot more weaker here. Might get involved with the silver short here, guys. Personally, silver looks like it's going to give the IFEG as well. I'm going to be using this IFEG as my entry here, my entry criteria. I'm going to look to short on silver down to that daily low being the Wednesday 1403 low will be kind of what I'm looking for here. Not going to do nothing crazy as a position. It's Asia session. Everybody here is about to speak, so protect yourself. But, you know, CP along the way. This trade should provide a nice little 3 to 4R. Nothing too crazy, so I'm going to look to get involved and graded on this IFEG. Getting this IFEG.
15-minute could create a two-stage here.
Nice, nice. I have the IFEG and immediately rejection. Let's see if we can get a nice little pop to the downside here on silver. Again, I'm gonna look to get involved on silver here on this IFEG. So my stop loss is at the swing high. You can use the bodies or the swing high as your preference again. My stop loss is a little bit more aggressive, but I'm definitely looking for price to flush here on silver and reject down lower. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I'm fucking about to tear up this food.
What are you eating?
Just got me some baked asparagus, sweet potatoes.
That's actually gas.
Oh, yo, by the way, chat, y'all better stay active and like this damn stream. I'm gonna give away cash today in here. Matt's gonna have to do the machine shit though, cause I ain't good with all that.
Like the stream. Wait, what? Oh my god, wait, I'm tripping. I thought the game already started. Did it start? Oh. South Korea and South Africa. I'm putting the game on. Alright, South Korea money line. Okay. Okay. That's not a good risk to reward. I'm not gonna lie. South Korea is minus 165.
You about to ask something else?
I mean, they're saying South Korea. If South Korea can give me a better risk to reward, I'll take it. But now we watch Mexico. Oh, Silver's flipping hard right now. Is the orange man talking?
I'm about to say, is Trump speaking?
I'm still in gold, guys. I'll evaluate the position depending on the 15-minute candle closures, but my stop is at the high.
Can someone in chat send me the link to Trump speaking?
It might be on YouTube. What are indices doing? Nothing. Mexico! I'm watching Mexico and Czech. Last night we had the stream on and I had the game like in the stream and hopefully my account didn't get flagged for that. Thoughts on gold tag and the monthly gap? Bro, I bought Leap contracts at the tag of that monthly gap. I'm going to be honest with you. They expire in 2027.
Yeah, LV, but I'm thinking about I'm gonna get back in though. I still like the person outside. Probably as soon as I get this flip, I'm probably gonna get right back in.
Yo, Brandon, you have a Whoop, right?
Yeah, bro, I have no clue.
You haven't used it yet?
No, I got it on. I just have no fucking clue how to read it. So I'm in a personal trainer to. I'm having one kind of. Use the metric.
Yeah, bro. Use it for your alarm clock in the morning. It'll wake you up in the morning, and then you will also get your age. It'll give you like your Whoop age, and it calculates like everything based off of your activity, your stress levels, your steps you get, how much exercise you do, and it tells you how old you are based off of like everything that it tracks in your life. Like my Whoop says that I am 21. I like this rejection that we're actually getting right now. I want us to respect this 15-minute bearish gap. Getting a nice rejection too on silver still. Wick's just doing some
I'm getting
damage.
I'm getting back in right now. It's over.
I like this right now. I would like to see us trade down, retake out this low at 845 on gold, and then I could reduce my risk to the 15-minute swing high that would be placed in at this 15-minute candle. I'm on gold, Cookie. What's going on with the game? A head injury?
So 5 minutes in, just went a little bit quiet.
Are you going to any of the World Cup games now?
Bro. Oh, he got elbowed in the head. Okay, never mind. That's pretty bad. That's pretty bad.
Okay, the first Czech player in the history of Wolverhampton Wanderers.
Boom, 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 boom.
One of the better players for them. He's good on the ball. He likes to progress the balls, passing like this. Not sure how much joy they're going to hit.
What cup?
Just long, hopeful balls like that.
Yo, that bull got a tough ass burst fade. I'll tell you that right now. That's fine, Ghost. Keep doing your thing, bro.
Sparring stages here in Mexico City, chasing back Cesar Montes. Red card for Dogzo, as we like to say these days. Denial of a goal-scoring opportunity in the first game against South Africa. It's Adam Hrojek attempting to nod that one on.
Oh my god.
Last time out, trying to keep this going by winning the aerial duels. Czechia away, thundered away by Quiñones for Mexico.
I want to see a good 15-minute candle closure here.
Inside the stadium, one of the great venues in world football.
South Korea money line plus check plus one and plus. Oh! I want to make.
Gold is looking nice here, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Nice little flip on both would be nice.
I want.
My bad, y'all. I'm quiet chat. Fucking over here. Fucking over here. Ain't trying to chew in your ears.
He thinks that's him. Encouragement for the Czechs.
Only his third international appearance. He did score in one of the warm-up matches against Guatemala. But a very big call to leave out Patrick Schick, a highly accomplished striker, plays for Leverkusen in the Bundesliga, big part of their success story in season 2023-24 when they did the domestic double, without losing a game domestically as well. So far, Travis cutting in for Mexico. Wide changes made by Javier Aguirre.
I've got to say that possibly could work in Czechia's favour. It's not going to be as free-flowing. They haven't been that free-flowing in their game so far, despite the wins, Mexico.
Just a bit too hot for the liking of Sanchez. Operating on the right-hand side. Czechia have their work cut out for them. Miroslav Kubek knows that, second oldest coach at this World Cup. Surpassed only by Dick Advocaat.
Oh yeah, absolutely, bro.
Charge of Curaçao.
I can make a short form video on it.
Seen as a safe pair of hands, did wonderful work.
Give me a good candle closure here on the 15-minute, please.
Look as though
Yo, man, there's be popping like a Be popping or no?
Does Jersey pop?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, there's so much shit to do here. Mexico! You folded like a dumbass. Idiot. Dude, Jersey's fun, bro. We got a lot. We pretty much have everything here. Like Atlantic City, if you want to gamble, casinos. Jersey Shore, you're right outside of New York, and then you also have Philly too. Like Jersey, honestly, is like a one-stop shop.
I'm definitely gonna be out there for a couple days.
Yeah, bro. Fucking, we'll do a bunch of shit. I'll show you around everywhere.
Boston, bro.
I've never been to Boston, but I've heard good things actually.
I just hate Patriots. I ain't gonna lie. Anything Boston, I'm gonna get off. The Red Sox.
You mean the Celtics?
Yeah. No, Patriots. New England Patriots. Ain't they out of Boston? Am I tripping? Ain't they out of Mass? Am I tripping? Mass?
Wait, you don't like the Patriots?
Hell no.
One of my boys is literally a massive Patriots fan. But like, I can't hate on the Patriots right now because I think Drake May is disgusting.
No, I'm a diehard Giants fan. Fucking love the Giants.
Giants just got OBJ.
Can't wait for football season.
Me too, bro. I'm counting down the days for football season. Actual football season, chat. Sorry. American football. American football. I'll correct myself.
How much micros you using, bro?
I took 3.
And it is almost that second ball, that drop down, free on the edge of the box. Mora not wise to it. Couple of chances for Czechia.
Well, they know they're going to have to show more.
Nah, ain't no more watching hockey,
So
man.
far at this World Cup can't just be about set plays and so far throw-ins, but we
Bro, you use S&P with GC and what? GC, Silver, and Zairo for it.
as a result of so far's
You're on 4 minis? Nice.
Tough. 15-minute candle closes here in the next minute 30, guys.
Alvarado here. Mexico.
2 goals that they've scored in this tournament have come from the long throws.
Bro, tight. He proud, bro.
Yo, bro.
Against Denmark.
Marvel, you're in here every night, like, tweaking. Like, every night, you're just, like smashing your keyboard, bro.
I be imagining, like, what they look like.
No, every night, I know, bro, is literally just, like... Trade? Where? Trade? Okay, good. The caps lock is off now, bro. There we go.
Nah,
But-
listen. No
Yo.
disrespect. I love everybody, bro, but when I know you're gonna say some bullshit when you start to call him sir. I ain't gonna lie.
Yes. When you end it with sir, bro, that's how I know it's
Yeah.
crazy.
I know you gonna say some bullshit, bro. I know bullshit's about to follow that conversation.
I don't see any SMT with silver. I have it with XAU Euro.
Chavez was the man who got forward on the left and tried to steer that ball.
XAU Euro, my friend. The triad that I'm using is gold, silver, XAU Euro.
The man at the Mexican helm. Played for Mexico on home soil at the World Cup back in 1986. And one of the most
That's a good
memorable
15-minute candle closure there.
of all time came in that World Cup in a match against Bulgaria, scored by Manuel
I like that
Neuer.
15-minute candle closure.
Scissors kick was set up by Aguirre.
Brandon, you're in silver, right?
Well, it was Wyszynski. His shot's happy in the early going. The man who's come in for Schick.
Yeah, and it's another little knockdown, same as the long throw from the other side.
Alright, yo, I'm back. My fault.
You're in silver?
Yeah, I'm in both.
Oh, fuck. Okay.
Oh, GC and silver, yeah. My bad. I thought I said it earlier. I thought I was getting it on the flip. BM sir, you're not replying, sir. You're so fucking annoying, dude.
Richie. Robin Ramach. He's in the middle of the defence, and he's the third.
How's the South Korea game looking?
Starting 11 for Czechia. Will be representing Germany, Hoffenheim, in European competition next
Should we
season.
take South Korea live?
He is halted by the
I
Argentinian
thought this was
referee.
See the three centre halves here, Derek.
Sorry, bro. I have Zins in my mouth.
A little bit. They can get pressed quite easily. Quinones
Flip a coin.
deciding to press on, but when they're narrow,
Never mind.
when they're
You know what's crazy? I let Siri make all of my decisions when it comes to bets, like sports betting.
That's crazy. What?
Like if Siri, like I'll literally have the bet in the slip, and I'll literally be like, Siri, flip a coin, and if it's on heads, I take it. If it's tails, I don't.
That's crazy.
I've been doing that for literally like since I turned 21.
You be doing fantasy league? Fantasy football league?
No, that's the one thing that I don't do. I'm not like that into it.
I be just trying to do it just to gamble. I ain't even gonna lie.
Yeah, that's fair.
Just to gamble.
Nick is massively into that.
I want to do a poker tournament, bro.
I would be so game for that. I would be so game for a poker tournament.
So the stats of
Chat, you guys play poker?
Czechia are having a little bit more of the game at the minute. A little bit more of the ball. Well, they went like 40% against South Korea.
That's exactly how they be talking, too.
So you
Yeah.
can see the shift that they've made in terms of we've got to come and play, we've got to open up, we've got to win the game.
I would love to find out a way to do like a virtual,
online.
yeah, like a virtual online poker tournament with everybody. Massive tournament, cash prize.
That'd be insane.
My old roommate was in the WSOP.
That's massive. What?
Yeah,
Bro was making bank. That's crazy.
he at like the age of like, I think he won. I think at 22 he won a tournament for like a $250,000 in Vegas.
That's wild.
Proper a few times in the 2 games so far.
Yeah, I'm definitely down though, man. I'll be lit if we can, you know what I'm saying? That'd actually be fucking crazy, to be honest.
It would be sick.
You can host on poker now. It's not about that, Tom. It's more so just finding people who are going to be committed. People who are going to, like,
Facts.
make it interesting. Because you don't want to just do it with, like, people who don't know what they're doing and you got to walk people through the rules and how to play. Like,
I do not want to do that.
yeah, like, I want to have a drink. Maybe have some food.
Yeah, I want to have a good time.
Yeah. I ain't trying to be trying to gamble.
What does it mean you have 2 of the same card? Like, no. That ain't happening.
Do I raise or do I you still live with a roommate?
No.
I've never had a roommate. I never will. Only roommate was my father. Still my roommate. He lives in the same crib as me.
I had 4 roommates. Actually,
Oh, hell no.
dude, in
That's
college,
crazy.
I had 11.
I can't do that shit, bro. I be like, I don't know. I be thinking worse. I be thinking someone would steal my shit, bro. Or
I had 11 roommates in college.
That's insane. In one room?
No. In one house. Bro, there were some schools, bro, like fraternity houses, bro. There's like 100 people in the same house.
Yeah, that's wild, bro. That fraternity party be crazy out here, though.
I had some, yeah, we had some crazy. Well, like at my school that I went to, it wasn't like a legitimate fraternity house with letters on them. It was like a regular house in like a neighborhood, and the cops would get called and shit like that. I would have to go talk to the cops, and then they would give us noise complaint tickets, and then you do community service in the city. and then the community service is literally you get driven around in like a short bus, and you got to wear these like fucking neon yellow vests with these with a trash bag and one of those fucking mechanical grabbers, and you gotta you gotta walk down the streets on like a Saturday morning at 7 a.m. or Sunday at 7 a.m. and pick up trash for like 3 hours.
I ain't gonna lie, just give me the time.
Horrible, bro.
Just get it, like,
At the time when I was in college, you had to pay like a $250 plus like $50 for court fees, and then you have to do the community service. And at the time, I was broke as fuck, donating like plasma to make money. There was one time, bro, I was so broke one time, I tried doing an application approval to donate sperm, and they denied me because I was too short.
yo, careful with this trade. And he's oh, that guy's annoying.
What do you mean careful with the trade, bro? I click the button, I know how much I'm risking, and I know what I want to target. You got it.
Yeah, nah, I'm not gonna lie. I think the craziest shit I ever did. Alright, so listen. We all grew up different ways. The craziest shit I ever did for some bro was list a house on Craigslist for rent. And I'll do the application and I pocket the application for the night I'm on the app. I did that shit like twice, bro. Got my ticket out of the city.
That's crazy. What? Oh my god.
Yo, bro, I hope price ain't gonna fall tonight, bro.
Huh?
I said I hope price ain't gonna fall tonight.
Yeah, no. I mean I like the draw. I like where we're at in price. If we inverse, like if we start trading through these gaps here, then obviously price is probably going to trade higher. I think we have clear invalidation point. I'm just going to let this thing do what it wants to do.
Yo, Chad, we only have 57 likes.
Yeah, guys, we got fucking 196 people in here. Come on, get some likes in the chat.
Now we have it shows me 200. I ain't gonna lie, especially too if y'all want a giveaway, bro. Y'all gotta lock in. Like it's free cash on the line. You just sell them. You dead ass selling.
Hit the like button, boys. Hit the like button. Bro, why don't I hop on gear? No. I have done. I have done SARMs, and that's what I'll do at the max. That's what I've done at the max, and that was in college.
Yo, what's that shit? That shit is getting rid of each other. Like that shit don't. That shit is scary as fuck. Someone offered me to do that shit. I didn't do it, bro.
It
That
is.
shit seems scary as hell.
Well, first of all, one, it's pretty much like it's just straight liquid, and it tastes like fucking gasoline. I'll tell you that right now. It says on the bottle for research purposes only. Like here, I'll put this into perspective. I took it and I documented my weight at week 1 to week 7 because it's 7 weeks that you're supposed to run it. I gained in 7 weeks 21 pounds. And my lifts, like my bench went up like 40 pounds. My deadlift went up like 60, and my squat went up 65.
Nah, bro, was an animal.
But I was angry. I was angry all the time, but I was also drinking on it at the same time. And I had a girlfriend too, which was not like that. That just did not go well at all. I was drinking on fucking stuff that said research purposes only, and I was getting into fights a lot. I was on Rad 140 and LGD. That was my cycle. Rad 140 and LGD.
Yeah, I think peptides is probably the most I love when it goes to anything I'm fucking with. These Ratatouille.
Dude, I think peptides are fine, bro. I think peptides are good, and I just don't think that they're ever gonna get approved because of big pharma.
I agree. Yeah.
I think peptides will never get approved because they do really also primarily
They're gonna want to
retatrutide.
capitalize on the cost, bro. Like, I mean, that's gonna be the biggest thing, right? They're just gonna want to capitalize on it. Like, I don't know. That's really about it, bro. It's just all about bread. That's the fucked up part, man.
Facts. I think that retatrutide will. I don't think retatrutide will ever get approved because of Ozempic,
Mm-hmm.
and then the other ones, I don't think they'll ever get approved because of other altered medication that is all big pharma.
Rozic going up in an attempt to win the header.
What you trading? That's GC on the screen. GC is still for Zaire. Or no, that's actually my bad. That's actually on the screen.
I just looked at indices just to see what they were doing. They're not really doing anything right now.
Started by
Yeah, we do it. What we have CPI tomorrow?
No, it's what is it?
field area there.
As if it even matters.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's core PCE price index and final GDP. Yeah. Hey, yo, guys, guess what?
Can you claim that if you take peptides? Listen, bro. This is how I tell someone, because someone was trying to like shit on me for taking it. Let me tell you something. What is the alternative? I stay the same way I'm at, eating bullshit, not taking care of myself, versus I take something that's they say is unsafe for you, which is bullshit, and save myself. You know what I mean? So it's like, I mean, natural or not, I don't give a fuck. I'm taking a peptide.
Yo, guys, mark this on your calendar. And on top of that, it's crazy. NFP next Thursday is my birthday.
Oh, you about to be big lit.
Mark it on your calendars. Oh, also, the one peptide that's popular for like joint pains and muscle pains, BPC 157. T showed me this one.
I've been hearing a lot about that.
Yeah, T showed me this actually, and because T is like a mastermind when it comes to like any sort of like medication and
He's a
health.
freak, bro.
He's a health freak, and I listen to him with everything that he does. But he told me about this one from Regen Labs. This one here. I started taking this, and my shoulder, like I have a torn labrum. Shoulder pain, completely like borderline gone, but helps me a lot. Helped me a lot. Thank you guys, but it's next week.
I own a company, a peptide company, so I sell them absolutely love peptides. They're pretty insane.
I know a lot of people are selling peptides nowadays.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, there's a point I was looking at it, but bro, it's like, I mean, it's just it's not even worth the stress to me. I don't know.
I wouldn't, I wouldn't do it.
It's just so oversaturated to me, and I just look like too much, to be honest.
Bro, I still dabble with like, well, I saw that side and doing that, but I think that just because like a market may be oversaturated, like e-com or whatever it might be, there's always a way. There's always a way to find a niche within it to make money. Like always.
I'm right now trying to figure out what I want to do next, like as far as what I want to invest, what I want to start. To be honest, bro, I'm like, we're not.
Bro, I'm not even kidding. Just try.
I'm putting my head through, bro. It's crazy.
Try this, dude. Literally, go for like an hour and just doom scroll on TikTok. Find a product that's been trending for the past like month or so, or month or 2 months, or whether it's seasonal, and then just have AI create UGC videos, and then launch a product page just off that, and then run Facebook ads for it. Like just try it, test it, have a budget, have a budget on the ad spend, and then just test the product.
I'm gonna try it because I'm looking at other shit. I'm looking at more shit to do. I definitely want to-
It's so easy, so fast, and with fucking Claude and AI everything, bro. Like, dude, it's way too easy.
I was thinking about doing down here in like Miami because the money people, you know, they want to spend their money on stupid shit. Doing a sports car, like buying a bunch of sports cars and just renting them out, like letting people rent them out. You know, everybody's trying to always come to Florida and flex. So.
Oh yeah, you're right. I have 2 boys that run luxury car rentals. Wait, so but Cal, you said you're afraid of needles, bro? The needle is like a fucking. It's like this. It's like that big. It's like this big.
My rats on Reddit just
Your Retta Tessamorelin. I don't know what MOTSC is, and I don't know what any of that is.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to get yo. I was reading an article. I don't know if you be looking into like Elon Musk and like the whole science shit behind that, bro. Do you see he said if he wanted to, he could extend the lifespan for hundreds of years, like per person.
I wouldn't doubt it.
He won't do it because the pill will be so expensive. Only the rich will get it. He said.
I did not even know that.
I was reading something on that last night, bro. I was like,
That's insane.
release that.
You inject it in your stomach or your butt. But primarily people do it in like their stomach.
Yeah, it's definitely more in the stomach. I feel like getting too comfortable with that. That's crazy.
What have you taken, Brandon?
I'm on Ratatouille right now.
Does that make you feel shitty?
I'm gonna be honest, bro. So I was experimenting. Like I even because like the Ratatouille at first it was like, bro, the food noise, like you know what I mean. Like I ain't gonna lie, I didn't really feel a difference. And then I tried another one called Trizepatide. That shit was a little bit more stronger, and that shit made me nauseous. So I just started alternating them. And right now I'm still on Trizepatide though. I'm doing the shot. I just been chilling, bro. It's been pretty nice. Pretty good. So I'm on that, and then I take NAD. Yo, I don't know if you guys fuck with NAD, but let me tell you guys, man.
I heard good things about NAD and glutathione, right?
Bro, as soon as you take, I kid you not, bro. Like I know, like you be like, oh, that's just in your head. Let me tell you something, bro. Every time I take that shit, bro, and I take it like 3 times a week. I do it 3 injections a week. And bro, every time I take that shit, bro, I feel like a fucking animal. Like I don't know, like it's like, bro, it's like limitless, like the pill, bro. Like I take the pill, and it's like, bro, like I just see everything clearly. I'm thinking clearly. All the brain fogs, all my energy's through the roof. It's like, bro, I'm a whole different person. Like it
Okay.
opens up a fucking third eye.
Okay.
I need silver to fucking flush here. Holy shit.
Yeah, I know. We've been consolidating for a minute.
Yo, look at this this shit I'm about to send you. Look at this these pictures of the positions I'm in.
On both gold and silver.
Yeah.
I want this to flush right now, please. Die. Did you DM?
Oh, I'm about to right now. My bad. Discord.
Down to the
Alright, there you
bone. If we get this good candle closure in the next 10 minutes, hopefully we can close below the low at
They should just flush here, bro. I'm gonna be honest. As soon as GC takes that low, though, I'm gonna cover silver.
come on, Jet. I think if we take out that low at 8:45, I'm gonna take my stops and put it to the 9 o'clock candle high.
Bet.
We reduce our risk, chat, at the 8:45 low.
Yeah, I like silver here. I want to see silver continue flushing here nice. I want to see both continue flushing realistically. It looks pretty decent, so. I think we take out that high.
What?
And, this guy.
If we take out that high, if we run the low at 8:45 and we read, and then after taking out this low and run the 9 o'clock high, the trade's invalid.
Yeah, he's doing Vex Solar. He's doing an account challenge using his indicator. So on these accounts, he's only taking the trades that's with the indicator.
Exactly.
Like this short we're in right now, the indicator signaled it.
I took it from the 15-minute OB on gold at 40 at 40.15.
These games at the end of the group stage can often be a little bit close to the vest.
So when we are in live streams, we'll take trades signal from the indicator. And then it'll be on these accounts right here.
To go, Reyes. So again, Czechia dropping back into a defensive.
Yeah, I just got a 5-pack of the EOD trails on the 50Ks.
Renault. The referee was just a couple of
Ooh,
yards
that'd be
away.
low key clutch right there, man.
What?
Like he said in the comments right there. Would you be adding a setup indicator rating? So like, the more confluences, the higher degree the setup.
I
you know what
could
mean?
do that.
That would be actually very.
I'm gonna send it to Josh.
Yeah, that would be something clutch too for them to like be able to go back and see the confluences that led to that A+ setup. You know what I mean? Kind of helps them during that educational portion as well. So that's actually
Hold
very
on.
clutch.
Let me
when
take
it
a
comes to
picture of that.
turnaround.
Take a picture of that.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, man. This bitch is going right to TP for us.
Yo, I'm dragging my stops. We're reducing our risk here to that 9 o'clock candle high.
If you re-entered the silver earlier, right, when I stated that position is up like one, depending on what you use. I didn't use the full swing high. I don't use the full swing high. I'm not. I just don't use it. So yeah, we're like it's like 1.5 hour in profit. Again, once you see GC take out that low though, just be very cautious of that. That previous day low pretty much, right? If GC takes out that low prior, I'd be cautious on silver and potentially even cover fully. But
Stadium in the World Cup. That goal is your favourite goal you were talking about, Derek, from all those years ago?
Shades of Nicolete. It's more the scissors kick. In the head attempt, but yeah. Inspirational goal, not just for Mexicans.
yeah, I think I'm gonna be the first one. I'm hoping. You know what I'm saying? I'm hoping I don't get Jude out, but I think I'm gonna be the first person to pull a 60K payout with these new Top Step accounts. And I think everybody who's just been getting sent to live, so I'm really hoping they ain't gonna catch me. That would actually be fucking insane. Be a nice little payout.
That would be calm.
Yeah, just hopefully they don't hit me with the. Yeah, you're being sent to live. You're being caught up to the big leagues.
That's probably what's going to happen.
I have yet to see anybody take that new double payout cap.
I need this 15-minute candle to close strong here. Oh. If you drop them the time.
Again for L3. Let's see the shots.
I'm chilling off the gold plays for now. It's been fucking with me some deep ass retracements. I mean, you know, that's something when it comes to trading, right? You know, it's a good thing that you actually brought that up, right? Because I actually had a question like that earlier, regarding the YM long, right? That I was in this morning, and price started consolidating. Listen, once you get into a position, right, and you did your part, once you hit that buy or sell button, at that point you did everything you needed to do. Now you just gotta allow the charts to do its thing, right? You don't know what's going to happen, right? You're not predicting the future. You can't see into the future. You just know what to look for to anticipate that next leg in price. So when you're entering into a trade, as soon as you do it, like you can't tell if price is going to consolidate, chop around, expand right away. You just know what to look for that ideal signature on price. So you can have all this, you can have all the confluences, bro, and you just get no delivery. It's happened to me. It's happened to many people. It's just trading, bro. Or you can't control it. As long as you did everything you need to do, bro, you're chilling. Just journal it after and move forward.
Alvarado of Chivas. Well, capture a club from Guadalajara.
When you can make you mine. Did South Korea first time? Dude, these games are deadbeat. 0-0 still. 0-0 still for South Korea.
Where are you watching the game?
My TV right next to me. I have a TV like on a desk next to. I have my 3 monitors and then a TV right here. Mexico is. I'm not gonna lie. Mexico's looking pretty weak. Czech has been pretty much applying a lot of pressure. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Still got time. Got the whole nother half. You got a point there, Guh. Not gonna lie, if Mexico loses, I'm going right to the Baccarat table.
Yo, I usually want to lose.
That is my game, bro. That is my game. Oh, he broke his leg. I have a question. Why do you take this trade specifically? So, I took this trade because there was a 6-hour bearish SMT divergence, as you guys can see here. The lower high on gold, and then the higher high on XAU Euro here. And then we had the candle that created that SMT, which was this up-close candle here at 7:30. We had price then close through the bullish fair value gap that we created that displaced higher, closing below that up-close candle resting here. Once we close below that, that confirms a 15-minute bearish change in the save delivery and a bearish order block. That was what I took my short entry off of. And then my target is simply this external range low and a 1 to 2 risk to reward. Hopefully that makes sense, Ben. My original stop loss was placed at the high above, resting here. And then I just reduced my risk to less than half to 40.21.4. So I protected myself a bit there. We just needed to now follow through, get a good 15-minute candle closure, no more bullshit. Hopefully clean out that low and run our target. Trump is still yapping.
Is that why we ain't doing shit?
I guess so. Juan, Nick sorts those, and typically they'll get sorted at the end of the week. On Friday, always. No, I haven't, but I plan on going to one. Actually, I don't know the exact specific date. I'm trying to go to one at Lincoln Financial Field, which is in Philly.
Look at some nice displacement here on the 1 minute. Close to his previous 1 minute wick. We should see some nice follow through to the downside.
I would like to see if silver also could close through this 15-minute gap here in the next 20 seconds. Inverse that gap.
That'd be pretty nice. We have 20 seconds left on a 15-minute, right?
Yeah, it's about to close in the next 5 seconds. All right, we inverse the 15-minute gap, which is good.
Nice 15-minute closure too.
A fan of that. I might take my stops and put them break even. I think I'm gonna do that, guys. I'm putting my stops break even on this trade. My stops are break even on gold. Risk-free trade right now.
To be honest, this might be the only play of the night, especially if 10 o'clock don't do nothing.
I'm completely fine with that.
You know what I'm saying? We might
And then-
really focus everything right now is just bullshit. So.
And then we'll see what happens with news at 8:30,
Mhm.
and then equities open. Trading in personal accounts is easier than prop. Yeah, it is. You can do whatever the fuck you want.
Yeah, it is nice.
The only limitations that you need to follow are the ones that you set on yourself. Come on, gold. Take us down. Take us down to them lows, baby.
It's very clean.
Currently down to 10 players. Sadilek not too happy about that, I must say. Let's see when he gets the green light to return.
Use forex.com on TradingView because it's the same.
Yes.
It's the same time as futures.
Forex.com.
Looks for Alvarado, and that's returned the ball here.
And that is, I believe, halftime for Mexico. I believe that's halftime.
Some of the law tweaks, just going back to Sadilek, one of the tweaks ahead of this World Cup. To go on for a minute under those circumstances. So some of the players are going to require a bit of time to get used to that tweak. Quiñones, Romo for Mexico.
Matt, you use volume or no?
What?
You use volume for extra confluence or no?
Balls treated there by
Honestly, no. I used to use volume profiles and shit like that.
Martinez back to Raul Arangel.
Why do
Let me
you?
look at them. Nah, someone was asking that. I was curious. I don't be looking at volume. That should be looking confusing as fuck to me.
Yeah, no, bro. I don't use like any of that stuff. I used to. Damn. Almost scored. I used to in my old trading ways. There's actually I have some some Snapchat stories and memories that come up of like what my old charts used to look like, bro. Let me see if I could find them.
Some crazy shit, huh?
Dude, it's like
Bro,
it's like a
volume
fucking
bands, the VWAP,
Bro,
the fucking
it's like an
Barca.
it's like a airplane cockpit. Like I gotta find
Yeah,
some
previous
pictures,
days low
bro.
as target band.
Here. Oh my god, listen
Line
listen to this, listen to this,
crosses
listen to this.
over the moving average. It crosses over up,
Wait,
and
can you hear that?
Both of the
Yeah.
lines are both increasing at the same time, moving upwards. It's showing that the stock is moving up, and it has been since it crossed over at that point, which is at a downfall.
Bro, I'm looking at Bollinger Bands and an RSI cross with volume.
Man. That's Thinkers OG Thinkorswim?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
TOS.
Yeah, man. Thinkorswim is so good, bro.
Bro, this was literally when was this? I have Snapchat. This was in March of 2020. I would like post like my Robin Hood of like me being I would post on my Snap stories of like me being up at like 9:30 open. I would say good morning, and then I would show how much money I made like right at the open.
That's tough, though. That's tough.
Yeah. And then you see in the background like the fucking TV with the charts and shit.
Man, those days, man, when it was the zero DT days, man, those were the days, bro.
Dude, I loved that. That was what a time to be alive, bro. That was the time when there was GameStop and fucking AMC bubble.
Dude, GameStop was one of the most craziest runs I've ever seen in my life.
It was amazing, bro. It was on the fucking news. They made a movie about it. AMC was the biggest play I've ever had.
They made that movie. Wasn't that movie about that guy, like one of the main guys, Hello Kitty or whatever his name?
Roaring Kitty.
Roaring Kitty. Yeah, something like
Roaring
that. Right?
Kitty. Yep, that was his name.
Bro made a bag. Yo, I remember that, bro. That guy was like, oh.
Bro, it was Hoddle. It was Hoddle, hold the line. That's how Diamond Hands came into a play. Oh, this is what my chart looked like, guys.
Elliot Wave is crazy.
Look at how many lines I had on that thing.
Gee, the spy number. I remember I think I was talking to T about this, bro. We were talking about the spy levels. I don't know if you know the spy levels were. Yo, if it closes above like 305, it's gonna go to like 307. Like, bro, the spy levels used to be game changers.
Yo, peep this one, bro. This is when I was in the trenches. I was playing Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, and this is what my setup looked like. I had the triple monitor.
Bro wasn't missing a thing.
Hell no. I had my feet kicked up. I was like the happiest kid on the planet.
We really got a fucking dream job, bro.
I know. Take this
Like,
shit for
what?
granted sometimes.
For real. I was talking to my dad. It was funny we were talking about it, right? We were talking about how like my perspective and my reality on money is like, or deception on money is so far gone.
Oh, of course it is. We're completely detached.
Bro, I can go, bro. It's just some crazy shit, man. I'll be like, and I don't even care about it. I'm like, that's what it is. And then I think back, and I'm laying in my bed. I was like, there was a time where I would be overly cautious, and now I'm just spending money. Like, it's just crazy how.
It's a weird feeling. Where, I mean, as cocky as it sounds, when you don't have to really look at price tags anymore.
Yeah, you just go into that bitch like, fuck it. I know I got it.
Who introduced you to ICT concepts? This is crazy. For me, I mean, I think people already know this. I actually found ICT concepts through Trader Day. I found it through him, and that was back before, like, that was like 2021, and I was like on Twitter, and I would see this dude posting shit about like Bitcoin and calling highs and lows with like these lines on them, and all I would see is just a line, a wick running it, and then a fucking huge ass drop. Like QT Day. He's the person that I found ICT concepts through.
Was QT a thing back? When did he start that?
I don't know exactly like when it was like a truly public thing,
He
but
invented it, right? Am I tripping?
yeah, he did. He did. It's all him. But I found out ICT through him.
Mm-hmm.
How did you find out ICT, bro?
Bro, it was actually crazy. So I was trading Forex. And I was trading my own strategy before I even became like, you know, like support and resistance or type of shit. And I was still making money. I was making a shit ton. But I was just getting ready to quit my job, bro, and switch Forex markets because I was making a shit ton. I didn't need to work anymore in the dental office. And I was like, fuck it now, because it's a lonely ass journey. Now I want to find some people to trade with. So I just started going to like different discords, like, yo, you know, just meeting people, and everybody's like, yo, switch to futures, and like, boom, and I see futures had no spread, and I'm like, oh, word. I switched to futures. At my first Discord ever, when it got introduced to ICT, was actually PB Trading's Discord. Before that, I was trading Orb on, I was trading heavy Orb on Forex. And when I went in there, I didn't really learn from them, because I was just in there just to chill and meet like other traders. And then I realized a lot of people like bullshit from like chats. But we used to trade Asia session there. I just went in there. I did Asia session where I was bottom and top ticking, using OTE. And I remember, bro, like I remember it vividly. I told them because like, bro, it wasn't like an intentional shit, but I was trading Asia. I started just trading Asia and my whole strategy in Asia session in their community. I'm like, yo, can I get a stage? I don't want no bread, no nothing. I just want to
Get my name out. Yeah.
And I'm like, I just want to trade live with people without people interrupting me. You feel me? And they was like, nah. So I'm like, fuck it. So I just like, I kind of like made my own free shit I was doing at the time. And then that's when I met T, because I said some shit in the chat. I said, damn, this chat full of broke motherfuckers. And T came in, chopped it up with T, and then he kind of, you could say, introduced me to ICC, and that's when I learned his ICC shit. And then I ran up Top Step. I ran up like 150K on Top Step using his TTFM shit. Not shit, but like the model. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm. Swing
Pretty much
points.
that, bro. Yeah, the swing point stuff, and then learned it very quick because like I think a lot of people don't realize like you can really just trade anything. It's really a mindset thing. I learned it. I actually learned it very quick, and yeah, started doing ICT.
Damn, started off in fucking PB Trading's Discord.
Yeah, bro. PB trading doing OTE, like, cause I did, bro. Like when I was first looking at that shit, bro, I was like, I'm like, this shit look crazy. Cause I was in the I remember I was in the. I didn't realize like how the scene was, so I was in there like showing. Like, I was logging in my brokers, like my personal broker, showing my account balance, my account numbers, getting all these different accounts, and I'm like, fuck. So I'm like, and then I didn't realize like you gotta be a little more
In that community, yeah, no, dude.
Yeah, so I'm like, oh shit. And then yeah, I just went on a crazy round. I was just in there chilling, and then you could say T pretty much put me onto ICT, to be honest, because I was just doing like a lot of support and resistance, and it was like I was making bread, but you know, really when you switch to ICT, like you see the markets in different ways.
It's a fact.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, dude, it opens up your mind to truly like the logic behind why price does what it does.
Mm-hmm. It's actually crazy. Like, it's really wild, to be completely honest with you. Because people don't understand that. It's like, I don't even know how to explain it, bro. I think you just gotta. Like, it's just crazy. Like, if you have to understand, you have to trade other strategies to know that. I guess that's the biggest thing you can say, right? If you were just starting off on ICT, like, you kind of doing yourself a favor versus you know, starting other places.
That's facts. Did you like go through all the mentorship videos and shit?
For who? Like MMX Seminole?
No, like ICT's videos.
Fuck no.
Oh, dude, I did.
Yeah, I'm good off that game.
I watched when that shit got released in 2022. I watched that shit like a Netflix series.
Yeah, bro. I kind of, you know, I went to this guy on YouTube called ICC No Rant. Clutch. He has all the gems without ICC rant. He just cuts all the important shit. But nah, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I kind of came into like ICT pretty much 2 years ago. But it was like, I think people don't realize, and I try to tell a lot of people this, to be honest, because like I know people who want to leave ICT and go to order flow, and I'm like, listen, bro. If you can't do it right in one place, you're likely not going to do it right in the next place because you're not fixing the thing that needs to be fixed. You know, everybody thinks that if they don't learn a strategy, they got a strategy hop or even go to something completely different. But like your mindset, your psychology, your mental is really keeping you not profitable. Because if you're not going to risk properly over here, what makes you think you're going to risk properly somewhere else? Like, just because you change the way you execute, that makes no sense.
Facts. Ooh, we're flushing right now. Come on.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good.
Come on, gold.
Guys, as soon as gold takes its previous day's low, I'm TPing on gold with Matt. That was Matt's short Matt indicator signal that out for you guys. On the silver, was manipulated out on silver. The first one reattempted on silver, which we're getting a nice flush down. This full trade for the silver is going to be a 4.5 R. So if that hits right there, that would be nice as well. But again, watching gold, when gold takes that previous day's low, going to be a little bit cautious about holding all the way down. I may just cover this trade to a break and put my stops at break even to fully cover it. Just because that previous day low could potentially introduce a new phase. So, going to be watching when gold takes that low. Zaire. Turn.
Yeah, I'm going to have my alert set on the same thing with XAU Euro. Let's see how this candle closes in the next 40 seconds.
Is Trump still yapping chat?
I don't know if he's still talking, bro. It's SMT with XAU Euro. Forgot midterm elections are coming up, bro.
When people say ICT is a scam, listen, bro, I don't listen to that shit, bro. You gotta understand who's holding most of the leaderboards,
dude.
Who's hosted most of the big payouts,
bro.
Who's hosted most of the success. Like, you gotta understand, bro. People are always gonna find something to hate on, right? And that just goes with anything, bro. Like, That guy has changed the game when it comes to retail trading, whether people want to believe it or not. Every single model you see people use, especially the way we trade, all stem from ICT. You know what I mean? So,
It's actually fucking ridiculous how people care, like how it's just such a hot topic to understand. Like, oh, ICT's unprofitable, ICT's a scammer, and it's like they take their whole life devoted to like understanding if he makes money or not. Why the fuck do you care if another guy makes money? Why don't you care about your own bag? Like, it's completely ridiculous how people get so fixated on another person's life that they'll never meet, and two, they probably don't even make money on their own. What the fuck do you have to care about him? Why the fuck do you care?
Bag yourself.
Like, damn. And then people hate on ICT concepts too because they say ICT is unprofitable. Like, shut the fuck up.
BMWPE? No, I didn't go break even, bro. It's on the short.
It's actually fucking ridiculous, dude. People are so dumb.
Don't no one talk about ICT more than order flow traders.
Dead ass, bro. I saw a funny ass video. Video. It was someone was like sitting at their desk and they were like, "Oh, here comes a big green bubble. I need to start buying right now." And then they're like, "Uh-oh, red bubbles are coming in, guys. Sellers are pressuring in. They're outweighing the big green bubble. This red bubble's a lot bigger than the green one. I got to sell my position now."
Like, shut the fuck
Like, I'm actually like I'm losing my fucking mind.
It's the most crazy shit, bro.
Yeah, the heat map.
What's the ticker for ZAL Euro? XAU Euro. Literally that.
Yep.
And you're just going to select the forex.com market. That's the one you want to select.
Yes, sir. Right here, guys. Forex.com. Well, Forex.com.
Green bubble now, bye. Yeah. Slow ass fucking Asian session, bro. What's the new 4-hour open? I just peed. Nice 4-hour closure. Honest. Honestly, it's 4 hours just flush here.
I'm not complaining if we like have a little open high. I just don't want this to take so long. I want this to happen. I want this to go lower so I don't need to sit and stare at this fucking chart.
It's fucking 10 o'clock, bro. I'm like, I'm just looking at the fucking frozen chart. I just refreshed my shit to make sure.
I know.
What time frame you mark out SMTs? I mean, for prices for actors, it really just depends on the time frame alignment you're using.
Facts.
I like to focus mainly for myself. Daily highs and lows manipulation, right, to establish highs and lows in days, and then obviously depending on the overnight profile, overnight expanded, I can look to kind of refine that down to some sort of 4-hour key level of the internal range, and obviously the current low day of the external range, or high day, etc. But I'd like to use like daily 4-hour stuff like that. I would say the best thing for you, Ryan, low key, bro, is you need to master narrative. I think a lot of people underestimate narrative, like having a narrative coming into a session, right? Because when you're developing a narrative, you're pretty much telling yourself what you need to see to get into the trade. And a lot of people do not do that. And it's one of the most underrated things to do, but if you can be a strong narrative builder, bro, I promise you, you'll be a lot more successful in trading when it comes to ICT and just understanding the markets as well.
Facts.
basic market structure, market narrative, and the time frame you're using, right? You know, like that's really the best thing I would definitely say. And stay on the higher time frames until the actual key levels are manipulated. I think a lot of people also always want to be on the lower time frames. Stay on the higher time frames as well until those higher time frame key levels have been manipulated, and then drop down to the lower time frame.
Bro, your best trades will have higher time frame connection. If you don't have higher time frame connection to a lower time frame execution, the trade is most likely dog shit. That is the most important part of your trading. The biggest focus.
We get a nice little flip here on GC and silver. This would be nice down to these lows.
Yeah, just dump poor 5
Yeah, I think we might flush down here. Looks nice here. I think personally, when this 4-hour flips bearish, I'm probably just gonna cover and go BE on both trades because I don't really want to see the 4-hour flip bearish and flip back bullish personally. As soon as we take out this next 4-hour low, I'm gonna probably cover this personally. Just because, like, I just don't want to be watching this shit all night, bro. To be honest.
Come on, baby. Kill
Yeah,
it.
at this point, if you're into silver, I'm covering silver. I'm putting silver to break even. I'm also putting my gold to break even as well. Just because I don't want to see the 4-hour flip back here. Gold looks like it's about to go ahead and take down towards this previous day's low. Again, this previous day's low, once that's taken and we TP at this low for match trade, I'm gonna start looking to potentially exit my silver trade because I want to see the price. It should just flush down. Both assets are getting lower, but you know, this can also introduce a new phase. So just keep that in mind when it comes to holding the risk after we take that previous day's low on GC.
TP for me is at 3975.7.
Nice. I have my TP a little bit past that, guys, because I got into the GC a little bit more relatively different. A 2R for me on GC is going to be that 2971 for me, because I got into that trade a little bit later, and a little bit different. But great indicator alert right there, though, for sure. Nice little short session. BM, you still giving out bread? Well, if I refresh the stream, that's just not at least 130 likes. I don't know what to say. Like,
150 likes.
oh my God, 94 likes, guys, and you want bread?
150 likes.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I'm looking cooking right now. First, we're nice and clean.
I want to see a flood of W's when this flushes down to the lows.
For real.
Type 1 in the chat, actually, if you're in this trade. Or type W in the chat if you're in this trade.
Spam that shit, bro.
You said I cannot trade.
How you gonna hate from outside the club? You can't even get in. One now.
Kieran, you take gold? Come on, baby. Clean out the lows for us.
Yeah, it was a nice fucking flush here, right? See,
Clean them
sometimes you
out.
gotta be patient. I ain't gonna lie. Up a little Benji tonight. Oh my God.
Clean out the lows,
Let's
bro.
go. Big fucking W's, man. W fucking Asian session. Sometimes patience is required while all of you guys are over there fucking gripping your seats. We just chat. Man, that resound of BM's killing me, bro. Listen.
Oh, come on. It's not that bad, bro.
Like, dude, listen, bro.
Tripping.
Let me tell you something, bro. You're worried about the wrong things. How about you worry about making a bad one here, huh? You know what I mean? How about you worry about coming up with a gang? Let's focus on the right thing. You know what I mean?
Mexico! Damn. Yeah, but drop that banana and I can make it mine.
About to look crazy. Fucking just 50K on both positions.
So tough. Silver!
Silver's fucking flush and I'm loving it, bro. Oh my God.
Bro goes, ICT is a scam.
Appreciate the views, gang. Appreciate the engagement. Yeah, on silver I'm up 44. On GC I'm up 30 at the moment.
Give us the lows for a bench.
This is actually crazy. Yeah. I saw Asia session too. I wasn't even playing on trade. I didn't even know you were streaming today, bro. I ain't gonna lie.
Tuesday, Wednesday, bro. I don't know
Yeah,
if I'm gonna stream tomorrow. The USA game is on, so I might want to go out and watch that.
How's my lungs doing, bro? They doing a lot good, bro. I'm on some medication and shit that helped improve it. I'm doing good though, bro. I'm breathing normal now. Thank you.
What happened?
When you sizing up, nah, bro. My lungs were at. I was traded from the hospital in a specialty room because my lungs were at 50% oxygen.
What the fuck?
Yeah, and it's not from smoking or nothing. I quit. I actually quit like smoking. Like when I'm saying I'm right, like I'm messing with edible, but I quit smoking and everything.
Oh, you quit Za?
Yeah, just for a little bit. You know what I mean? Because I'm even not even that too. It's like, you smoking, you can't not fully focus. So I'm trying to stay locked. It's not more so trading, but like gym wise, it'll make me lazy for the gym.
Facts.
I had to like fucking drop
Dude,
that shit for a little
some
bit.
people smoke and go to the gym. I don't know how you do that.
No, that shit makes me like. That shit makes me not want to do shit, bro.
Forever model. It was my first edge. Then I got the trading pass, 2-3 accounts. But as soon as I switched to G's. Wait, so you. I mean, you could be just looking for too much, bro. Keep it simplistic.
That's one of the biggest things loading edits you have to understand, right? There's no point of you jumping from place to place when something already works, right? And that's what a lot of people don't understand. They get kind of bored of doing what they're doing, but that boringness is what's making you money, right? Trading is not meant to be like some sort of enthusiastic rush-filled thing, right? Like, trading is really boring, and it's something you have to be okay with. So, you know what I mean? There's no point of, if Matt's model is working perfectly fine, there's no reason for you to try to go and include more things, right? Because that's what kind of gets you trapped in that knowledge trap. And you start getting analysis paralysis and start making big mistakes, looking for too much.
Facts.
In Jamaica, you smoke the real herb. Holy shit, bro. You're a real gangster, bro.
Mexico, come on!
Yeah, smokers is pretty good. They be strong, loving it. No, it's not. I don't mind smoking, bro. It's just certain things like you gotta just lock in, like you know what I mean when it comes to certain things. Doesn't mean like to be forever, but like that initial period to get to where I need to be at, gotta lock in, right? It's just like anything, it's like investing in a business, right? Certain things you can do, certain things you need to do for that business to be successful.
I tried keeping it simple, but it was like I was missing something else. So it seems like a shiny object syndrome.
That's exactly what it sounds like.
Seems like a shiny object syndrome, my boy. You see one thing that looks cool, and then you just decide that you feel like you need to switch everything because you're not getting what you need at that time. 1 to 2 risk to reward just got hit and poked on the indicator right there. I'm looking to take it down all the way to the low. Guys, if you want to close out, or if you guys got the 1 to 2, you want to be out there, that's completely fine. But that green dot here is the 1 to 2 secure.
Yo, Matt Stream, if you guys took GC or silver, drop W's in the chat. Yeah, man.
Yeah, spam W's in the chat if you took this trade with us, guys. W's in the chat if you took trades with us.
I like the damn stream. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all think if y'all don't get 150 likes, I'm dead ass not.
If you want to give, if you guys want a giveaway, I want to see a flood of W's in the chat right now. Y'all want the giveaway? Flood the chat with W's.
Here's a big trade though. Silver's at almost 3R. I think I might trail to 2R to be honest on silver. If anybody's almost in silver, it's almost at 3R. I think I might just look to trail to 2R here. I want to see how this next 15-minute opens up here. I want to see us kind of open higher form the high of that 15-minute wick, and as soon as we displace lower, taking out the previous candle's low may trail to that previous or new 15-minute high.
I feel like a trail to that 15-minute candle high at that 10 o'clock 4 hour is not a bad play.
It's not, because you really don't want to see it even flip all the way back up here, to be completely honest with you.
Mexico goal, baby. Mexico goal. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put my stop loss at the 15-minute candle high in profit right here, because I don't want that 10 o'clock candle to flip. Mexico scored, baby. Let's go. Mexico.
Bro's about to hit a nasty parlay.
Mexico.
All right, yeah, we get the W's, bro. You guys are good. I'm looking to the left. I'm like, all right.
I wasn't even looking at the chat for a
I just
second.
looked up and I just see W's still going. I'm like, all right, yeah, we get it, bro.
I wasn't even looking, yo. Down to the bone.
Bro, I'm gonna be honest with you, Wolf. Like, you don't even worry about that, bro. Just worry about getting payout first, bro. Like, don't even worry about like being moved to live, bro. If you're not,
Bro, I might get trailed out of this. Goddamn.
Like, I be seeing like I was watching a meme that got me laugh, but it was like how unprofitable. Like, I'm not saying I don't want you to take this against you, but it's a joke. It was like how unprofitable traders act when they profit changes the rules. And it's like they changed the consistency rule, and the unprofitable traders are complaining. It's like, dude, like you're worried about the wrong thing. Like,
No, dead ass worried about the wrong thing.
like you don't need to be worrying about live, bro. You know what I mean? Like, trust me, if you're not getting payouts, you're not going to push the level. How do I connect all accounts to the same trade? You gotta use a trade copier. You can use trade copier. Matt, you got a code with them? With trade copier?
I don't know if I do, if I'm being honest with you. But just use trade copia. Use somebody else's code, maybe. Like, I don't even know. Do you have a code?
Yeah, I don't need to know.
Use Brandon's code. Use code BM.
Any verdict on the foldable phones? It's funny that you say that, bro. I bought a Samsung Z Fold specifically to trade over. Not
The
even
the foldable phone?
Yeah, you know, the one that flips like it opens up to like a little mini tablet. I bought that specifically just to trade over. Not even kidding.
Fuck.
Just so I can have like a bigger screen when I'm out.
That's actually smart.
Yeah, it's like I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like if I wasn't so deep in the ecosystem of Apple, I ain't gonna lie, I would make that my primary, but can't walk away from Apple, man. Too deep into the ecosystem, and to be honest, it's just way better. GBP took that low. I'm scared.
Bro, if I get trailed out, then it is what it is. I might be trailed out right here, though. All right.
Stop field.
I'm trailed out there. I'm trailed out there. That sucks, actually, that it did not run those fucking lows, dude. That's actually insane. That is insane. But
That
yo,
was
still
great.
not bad. I don't care. Still W though. Still W.
That was a 50K count too, right?
Yeah. I mean,
Oh, yeah, you're
it
feeling
technically did hit a 1-2, and it alerted on the indicator that it smacked it. But
Oh, your indicator indicates 1 to 2 as well. That's
yeah,
not it.
I could also click here and I can go to projections. So if I don't want to do a 1-2, I could do like a 1-3, and that could fix down here. Like it'll fix from my entry down. Like a 1-3 is at 3958.3, and if I wanted to do anything above that, if I wanted to do like a 2.5, I could even do that. But I typically always do 1-2. And 1-2 got smacked.
I mean, not bad for an age session. I mean, for real, because that shit was slow as hell.
No, dead ass. Dead ass. Dead ass. Dead ass. Let's see. What do we got? I'll give you guys some codes. Guys, I'm going to give it literally 1 minute. No. Mexico scored again, baby. Let's go. I'm going to give it
Yes,
one.
Ryan.
I'm going to give it 1 minute until the live has the opportunity to get to 150 likes. I'm going to give it 1 minute. If it doesn't have 150 likes, then no giveaway. I
Yeah,
can't-
I'm still in silver housing.
Dude, I can't believe that we didn't run out that low. That's actually the most disgusting thing I've ever seen.
When is the next DG session with G?
Oh, dude, I gotta show you the warehouse, bro. Keys warehouse.
Insane.
Yeah, it's tough. I might try. I'm gonna hit him up and see if we can do it next week.
YouTube emojis are like fucking Android emojis, dude. It's just shit.
No dead ass. Oh, did anybody close the full trade at 1-2 risk to reward, or did you guys get trailed out? Are you still holding? What are you guys doing?
I'm still holding my silver right now. See what happens.
Trailed. Okay. I'm gonna do. Let's go to Nightbot. Yo, guys. Pick. Let's do a number. Random number. Make sure you guys are also in the free Discord. You have to be in the free Discord. Click the link. Join the free Discord. Random number, 1 to 1,000. Go. Go. 1 to 1,000. Dude, holy shit. Gold fucking snapped, gang.
Yeah, I'm still holding my silver right now. See if I can get something.
That's crazy, bro. All right, CPT Shakes FX. You are the winner. Send a message in the public chat, my boy. DM me your code. Let's do another one. All right. Let's do. I'm going to do the range All right, so random number between 200 and 1500. Go. $200 and $1,500.
Does everybody just spamming their keyboard like?
I know, they're just like. Bang. I don't know how to say that. I don't know how to say this name, dude. I'm sorry.
Prabish Guantam.
All right. Prabish Guantam. My boy joined the free Discord. I'll DM you your code. I'm sending the names in the chat. Make sure when you reply, you have to show proof that it is you. I had someone last night, bro, fucking try to say that they won the giveaway when it wasn't even them. Like, literally scumbag.
Motherfuckers do anything, bro.
Dead ass. Alright, let's do another one. Let's see how long this takes. 1 to 2,000. Go. 1 to 2K.
Yeah, I'm still in silver. I'm just price is just again at a little bit of a deeper pullback than we like, but still holding the full position down to those lows as of now. On a little bit of an SMT between these 15-minute highs, the 2145 high with GC. See if this SMT can support hard trade back down lower on silver. So yeah, still holding silver down to those lows. It's not a bad idea though to cover the trading OBE. Yeah, it's really up to you. It wasn't a bad trade. Smacked like 2.9 R, but I'm still holding it because I want those lows. Damn, no one got it yet. Holy shit.
No one got it. Yeah, this is actually the longest that it's taken. Is anybody that's too... Anyone that says close? Someone's close. Who was close? I just saw that.
Came on by way too fast.
It was, fuck. I can't catch up. I think it was 600 was close. Was it?
Nah, 1680 was close. Guys.
Oh, 1680. 1680 was close.
1680.
Bang. Daring 7495.
1685. Nice.
Brandon, tomorrow, after like my streams and shit, I'm gonna figure out how we can get on StreamYard.
Yeah, you know what's crazy? I gotta look at that shit, bro. I be forgetting shit, bro.
I do too, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
I be like, people be thinking like, they be like, yo, you be forgetting sometimes. Like, this is one guy who wanted me to try some fucking indicator shit, bro. He sent me a code like a week ago. No, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get to it. I haven't got to it, bro.
All right, so,
like, I'm just so busy.
We got CPT Shakes, FX, Prabesh, Gautam, and Daring 7495. Type in the free Discord, guys. I will then DM you your codes. Yo, W on the first day that we take a trade on the challenge. I was trailed out, unfortunately. I could have closed the full trade at 1 to 2 risk reward. I wanted the lows. It's crazy that we didn't fucking run them. Maybe if they, I can't believe that XAU Euro didn't run at the low, gold didn't run at the low. It'll probably run it maybe later on. I just don't know. But Good first trade, and then we'll do the same thing. I literally won't touch these accounts. I'll only touch these. I'm only gonna touch these accounts on stream. That's it. Only on stream. Oh shit, we actually
guys,
might.
if you're in silver still, oh my god, this would be clean.
Wow, that actually is opening up so sharp lower.
That was so nice of an open.
Wow.
Chat, is anybody still in silver? Or you guys, or is anybody still holding silver? I'm just curious. If you're in silver, you should your trade should be. Well, I'm not gonna tell you what to do, but my stop loss is at BE for that, so it's a risk-free trade. It hit your BE to the tick.
That's fucked, actually.
That's brutal. Cause I love this candle 3 that's opened up here on silver.
That's so
a little bit of a
draw.
strength switch SMT with that 15-minute high, so it'd be nice to see price come out much lower here. TP for silver's a full 4.5 R. Pretty decent. I got taken out on GC break even, which again GC was still a valid win, guys. Like that's where it kind of comes down to like taking that 2R, right? Obviously myself, Matt, you know, with us being already established, we could put a little bit more risk on holding certain things. But for you guys, right, when you see those 2Rs get smacked, like get in, get out, take your piece of the pie. You know what I mean?
Facts.
But yeah, W fucking Asia session took a little patience from us today though. Obviously. Why BM took silver instead of GC? I just liked it more. Again, right? It's just what I was looking at the time. I'll do a recap and post it personally. I know I took it based off of a 15-minute. Yeah, it was pretty much the same logic for GC here, right? So it's pretty much relatively the same logic, right? It was looking for price to retrace into that gap, trade the continuation lower. Pretty much that, man.
Yeah, but yo guys, I will let you guys know if we're gonna do a stream tomorrow. If we don't do a stream tomorrow, it'll be next week on Tuesday, Wednesday. But again, these accounts will sit as is until we have the next stream. So I will only trade these accounts on stream with you guys. Indicator alerts only. But be safe, y'all. Have a great rest of your night. Good luck if you're still in this trade, and hopefully this smacks for you to BM and this fucking rips through these lows.
Lie. Silver looks real nice. I ain't gonna lie. It's just smack. If it keeps going like this, it's gonna smack TP in like the next 5 minutes.
Yeah, no, for sure. But yeah, W stream, guys. Yeah, take care, y'all.